Hello, my name's Jonathan Houston from Vintage Motor Garage, and today I'd like to share something that I'm hopeful will help everybody carry out better restorations. I had to make a new diff centre, or half a diff centre, diff hemisphere, for a 1920s car. The reason is, it's broken. The neck that holds the bearings is broken. So the owner of the car had a friend who was a retired machinist, was going to make him a new piece. Now I've seen this guy's machining. He machines very nicely. He makes very nice looking parts. They're accurate, they have nice finish, they look great. So this fella couldn't end up doing it. So I got the job to make the diff centre. I got the piece of steel that the other guy had got ready to make it out of. This is it here. Excuse me, it's heavy. It's a big lump of steel. Okay. Now, I put it up on the lathe. I ran the first cut. And my immediate thoughts were, wow, this stuff, whatever it is really well annealed. I'm going to have to find out what it is so I can get the right heat treatment on it. It was very soft. I thought, I'll check what it is. It's got yellow paint on it. I'll check the colour code. So I went and checked the colour code, and turns out it's mild steel. Now, for something that's already broken, the original one that's already broken, whatever that material was, wasn't good enough. So why would mild steel be any good? I could have spent, or the other guy could have spent 20 hours, whatever, making this diff centre, put it all together, the car's restored. I think he'd be lucky to get around the block before it broke again. So I'm now going to make it out of a piece of high tensile steel. I've actually taken a couple of short videos of this piece of steel being machined into my lathe, and then the correct piece of steel being machined in the lathe. And you can see the difference in how hard the material is. In one, the swarf comes off clean, short chips, hardly discolours. The other one, you can hear the lathe working, you can hear the metal cutting, and it comes off in a long blue string. It's high tensile steel. It doesn't break off and chip easily. You've got to play with the feeds and speeds to make it do that. And it was bright blue. Anyway, hopefully that's a lesson for everybody, that you can make the right parts, but if you don't make them out of the right material, you're wasting your time. In actual fact, your vehicle could be dangerous. I've seen shackle pins made from soft material. Who knows what they are? They should be case hardened high tensile steel. But often reproduction ones bought are not case hardened. Makes me wonder. Anyway, I'm hopeful that's helpful to somebody today. Thank you very much. You can see here how mild steel cuts. That's about an 1/8 inch cut, and it's cutting quite easily. The swarf is barely even discolouring. This is the way a piece of VN36A high tensile heat treatment steel that's machined. Same speed, same depth of cut. Be sure to keep an eye on our YouTube channel for more helpful hints. Hopefully, working together, we can make everybody's restorations better. Thank you.